Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to Dashcam Police US. Now let's go. A daring chase unfolds. A breathtaking display of street racing artistry as the reckless driver goes head-to-head with a steely heart determined to bring him down.
Out east back on southbound on University. Burns as he is reckless. He's clouded twice.
Everything went insane as the car sped straight under the flatbed truck. I thought he would be crushed to pieces under that tremendous pressure.
Thanks, man. We're continuing to approach Garrison Range.
Sir, eastbound Garrison Range.
A narrow escape reminded me of some blockbuster action movie. He probably thought he was Superman, still managing to flee after that dangerous somersault. But no matter how hard he tried, fate was cruel. He was quickly captured. A well-deserved ending for such a passionate performance. On the busy highway, the police pursued the Honda speeding recklessly. Despite the traffic congestion, the car continued to accelerate dangerously, making the situation even more perilous.
Oh yeah, they're very
South, Harbor.
We're going to keep off first, Harbor. What kind of vehicle is it?
Charles Ford, Area 4872, CNN 4872, Silver City.
Where's your one up there?
Passing Harbor.
Where's your Harbor there?
Right shoulder, heavy traffic.
Where's right shoulder, heavy traffic? Very cool, copy Jason, that's okay.
13 South, put up on exit 85.
Probably 13 cross over like 85.
Hit the wall, hit a white van.
Great.
Set up for pit. So 13 South,
Where's the 13 cross on the picture?
The police spun their car around, blocking the fleeing vehicle. The driver resisted fiercely but was taken down by a taser, now facing a series of serious charges due to his reckless and dangerous actions. The criminal stole 2 cars, then hijacked a patrol vehicle and sped down the street, putting everyone in danger. Despite the collisions and being shot, he refused to stop and continued fleeing.
First one, he's got a cop car. I'm gonna.
Personal, clear the channel, don't say anything. Get him under control.
I got lethal. Oh, shit!
suspect possibly in his hand. Personal, clear the channel. Don't say anything. Get up north. Still got you, 5-7. You're on with me? This is 17 minutes in the drive.
He sped away like a bullet until he crashed. Even though he was hospitalized, he stubbornly denied his wrongdoing, with alcohol and drugs in his system. But what he was facing was just the beginning.
Is everything clear? Yes. I need some caution tape down here as well.
But the car stubbornly speeds on, showing its determination to escape the chase. Surrounded by the police, the suspect had no choice but to surrender. The police successfully completed the mission and made a safe arrest. The motorcycle darted into oncoming traffic, and the moment it was spotted, the rider immediately sped up. Police were forced to quickly adapt their tactics, igniting a relentless and tense pursuit. When the suspect exited the highway, police quickly blocked the path, bringing the chase to an end. After crashing into a barricade, he was arrested and ammunition was discovered in his backpack.
Hey, wrecked out.
Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground!
When the black Jeep sped at 89 miles per hour, despite the stop signal, the driver kept going, changing lanes and accelerating over 100 miles per hour. The pit maneuver forced the vehicle into the grassy shoulder. Driver Ryan Patrick Johnston was arrested, smelling of alcohol with an unopened bottle in the car. What began as a simple speeding violation turned into a fiery pursuit as the black car suddenly surged to 130 miles per hour. Police stayed on its tail every second, with tension escalating at every turn.
Discharge on the turnpike, 233, I'm going to the lane. Right burn, push the turnpike, right burn. Coming back over now. Left hand lane. Left hand lane right here, right in front of me. Take him out! Diagonal road is shut down. They just going where we're going on 20. Are we on 20? We're about 57 on Chestnut. Yeah, I'm going to do parallel on 83. Signal 100, northbound in the southbound lane, 57 north of Chestnut. 1721's out.
The drama peaked as the car plunged into a ditch but kept going. Police worked in close coordination, subduing the suspect at gunpoint and safely ending the dangerous pursuit. The vehicle exceeded the speed limit, and the intense chase began when the driver refused to stop and accelerated past 90 miles per hour.
Blue stop sign on Patriot, turn left.
Stand by at 313 and Patriot. I'm not going to have time to get picked up. I'm taking information.
Yep.
There's two, we just passed 2 Bank Road units on Patriot. I think he thought they were going to try to spike when he almost ran off the road. We're still on Patriot, approaching 313, speed 78, no traffic.
Through the stop sign, turning left and don't listen. Parallel with 4061 for correction 313. Let's turn on the Shelton Road with the stop sign. That's a 313 side of 67. We're on the now heading northbound, attempted hit. Across the median, oncoming lanes, taking left turn onto Delmar Drive.
After dangerous driving behaviors at high speeds, the driver of the Ford Explorer could not escape the intense pursuit of the Kentucky State Police. Fleeing on the highway, the dangerous driving behavior of the Winnebago made it the target of a tense and perilous chase.
Tires are flat. We're still rolling by the 114.
It's clear. Southbound 131 is the 114 Winnebago continuing southbound with flat tire. 1355.
606414.
They're getting off at the 114.
Okay, sounds like they're getting off at the 114 north of Kent County.
The vehicle swerved into oncoming traffic without showing any signs of stopping, creating a serious danger and threatening the lives of other road users.
6414.
Go ahead.
It looks like they just slipped around right heading back towards 131. 14, just can't go.
14, we're going the wrong way on northbound. Permission to pit.
606414 southbound in the northbound lanes now.
Speeds at 43, permission to pit.
Southbound in the northbound, speeds at 43. Requesting permission to pit.
She's still southbound.
Still southbound 131, 1400.
probably about 2 miles from the county line or so right now. Still southbound right lane.
Copy, all units be advised. They're a couple miles north of the Kent County line, southbound 131, Montcalm County.
60, can you let Kent know where we're at? They hit a car just north of D112. Speeds of 43. Hit another car.
Just 6414. Any Rockford cars on the freeway now? I don't know.
Central 66.
Seven, are you on the freeway from the phone?
West River. Get them closest.
Still southbound in the northbound lanes. We're on 60. They've hit 2 cars. Also, there's a PDA northbound at the 112.
6414, I got one at West River heading north.
I think I'm gonna have to shut this thing down here at 17 mile if I can get some help.
Cutting across. We're going to be southbound in the southbound lanes. 5-3, move out of the way.
Cut across southbound in the southbound, 1402.
6414, sir.
5-3 from 66, back off. Slow down traffic for me.
Kent County can monitor on this fucker.
I'll call you back.
Kent County says if you need to stop sticks, let them know.
The Winnebago was finally stopped after a long chase. The suspects were arrested, marking a successful operation by the police in preventing a danger. An explosive chase erupted as the gas truck defied the stop order, forcing the police to deploy their forces, determined to end his brief taste of freedom. His short-lived journey in search of freedom was crushed by organized tactics, opening a new chapter in his life, officially becoming a companion.